It's Sunday, November 22nd, and a special day. I now have a 21-year-old. My baby girl is all grown up and legit. And anywho, my oldest baby. Yeah, just popping in to show you what I did for dinner. Just baked chicken, green beans, and roasted potatoes. So actually I just put the potatoes in to roast. So all chicken and potatoes roasted together. I used a soul food seasoning and a little bit of zesty Italian salad dressing, my secret weapon. It just kind of brings the flavor of things, and I use it I would say a lot, occasionally a lot, in chicken and fish too, because it just brings out the flavor when it's been in the oven. So basically put it in there for about an hour and 45 minutes, and yeah, there is our dinner, all golden and bubbly. It's hot too. So if you guys thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.